Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download additional apps for your Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this you'll need to open your Microsoft Store. I have it right here on the taskbar. If you can't find it, open a Start, and right here you can type to search for this specific app. So let's open a keyboard and enter Microsoft. It should be as the first match, and now click on it. Here you can find all the apps and games or movies and TV stuff. So let's go for apps and for example WhatsApp. Click on install. And the app should download. Hit the open and click get started, and as you can see the app runs well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.